hello guys. See our new pet bird. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Lost Call.
Okay, just
we
oh my
just
God.
got some birds. You shook the nest, Max. You scared it, idiot. So we named it Jim Hopper because it just likes to hop around.
And also, we like Stranger Things.
Yeah, you like Stranger Things. I don't really like Stranger Things that much.
If you guys want to, have some.
He's an idiot. Why are you talking like that? Okay, what?
I love these birds.
I love that bird. Let me pet it. Is it recording?
Zach, I don't think it's getting a good shot of the bird.
Yeah, I know, but the other camera is shaky. This one's not shaky. It's so cute though.
As you guys notice, we are good caretakers of this
Yeah,
bird.
I mean, we made like a
We
little
won't
nest
do
out of
anything.
grass, and we give a nice comforting mattress with leaves. So, want to put him back in? Want to put him in there?
I'm
Don't.
skim milk.
Okay,
Skim
don't.
milk. Stick it in it.
Okay. That's some Primations. Yeah.
Combination. No,
Oh, see,
you are
it
not.
likes to hop around. Jim Hopper, like the flap. Do the flap.
Flap.
He's
Do
breakdancing.
the flap.
Do flap.
Do
Do
that.
flap.
Do the flap.
Do the flap. Do flap.
Do that. Do the flap.
Good thing there's no eagles or hawks around here.
We're just gonna let it be. No, you're gonna go back into your nest. You're gonna go back into your nest. Goddamn.
Oh wait, let me scooch. Oh, scooch, scooch my dooch. Scooch my dooch.
It's feeling so good.
It looks so adorable. I think he likes it.
I think
He's like, thanks guys. I think that's what it's saying. Or maybe he's just scared. Like, he just wants to be out of the box. I mean, I would be scared if I was trapped in a box too. Okay. Okay, make sure to walk softly. You don't want to ruin the nest. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop.